So listen up. I was out here the other day, or not out here, in the house, doing some battery maintenance on the quadcopters, and I found out by complete accident. Now I haven't tried it out here yet, I just did it in the house, that you could fly the FIMI Mini without turning the app on. I actually never knew that you could do that. Oh, it's terrible, cold today, really windy. Whew. Nasty out here, man. Real bad. Oh, mercy. Okay, so we'll turn the quadcopter on. Turn on the transmitter. Now it takes a minute or so for this stuff to knack up. Okay, so I got it out here in some GPS action. Okay, so oh, it's bad. The wind's pretty bad. You can see it's dancing around. But yeah, so plus, I don't think it's picked up that many satellites yet. But you see it dancing. Woo! But yeah, this works. I had no idea. So I'm gonna get out there to Pioneer Park this week when it warms up and give it a shot. See if it's range limited. All the DJI ones are range limited except the Mavic Pro of the ones I have and the Phantom 4. I'm landing that sucker. Okay, because it's windy as hell. But yeah, so the Phantom, the Mavic Pro is not. The Phantom 4 is probably not also, but all the other ones, the Spark, the Mavic Air, Mavic Air 2, the Minis, the Mini 2, they're all range limited without the app to 300 feet. So yeah. So we're gonna try this. Now the Altels are not. The Evo 2 and the you know, that big one they had, the X-Star Premium, that wasn't range limited either. That was, you could fly as far as you could, because you could navigate that one with the little screen on there. So all right guys, there you go. You can see you don't need the app to fly this. In case your phone dies, you can still fly, right?
That's all, folks.